course. But I'ma like I don't know how to do that yet. All the default commands that Nightbot got right now is what is all the commands I got. I don't got no custom commands right now and nothing like that. Now I had it prepped. Remember what I said in the chat? Oh yeah, I remember what you said. We gonna learn together. Yeah, we gonna learn together. We gonna. Oh, the Nightbot changed my game. I'm gonna see after the game. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna see after the game. I've been live for 16 minutes already. What the fuck have we been doing, chat? That fucking dumbass nigga stepped on me and fucked up my motion, bro. It's okay though, chat, cause I know what I'm doing. Damn, I thought I could get on that one. It's cool though. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Yo, Belly Fam, I gotta talk to you, bro. Like, I gotta talk to you on a cellular device. I'm not gonna lie, cause I heard some shit about Nico today. I said, Nico? He went to Edison? Light skin? Whoa. I couldn't believe my ears. I've just been looking into your eyes. Shut up, nigga. Yo, I'm out though. Safety out. Yo! Safety Zane. I hope you have a blessed night, my brother. Hope you have a blessed night, my brother. Let me see what's on this Uber Eats app. So I need to eat, chat. Oh, this Manjun Cafe would hit right now. I ain't gonna lie. That's Dead Man Nico. Wait, what you mean by that? What you mean by that? Huh? That's Dead Your Nico? What are you talking about? What are you talking about right now? My man's Nico. Oh. What's good, Robson? What's good, Robson? How you doing, man? Yo. These niggas button. Yo. This nigga Zane is just like... It's too much of a game, man. I heard beeping out there. Niggas better not have macked my fucking V. Cause if they do, they gonna die in GTA. Why is that shit hitting me so much, bro? Thank you, Renee. Belly Fam. Whoa, my fault. Damn, I'm going crazy right now. What the fuck? Yo, the Ranger just be coming in here and saying anything. I ain't gonna lie. Like, he just be coming in here with, like, the most random reactions to anything. I'm a girl today. Oh, brother. Here we go. Here we go. Like, you don't got a lot of niggas, bro. Niggas know you been a nigga all along. It's just a fact. Well, now I have to try this. There's this new place that sells jerk chicken over rice. hello place. So now I have to try it. Now I have to. I don't have a choice. Because the last time I tried jerk chicken over rice from that one place, that shit was dirt. From Hello Bros, don't try it. Don't try it, chat. Shit is dirt. It's not good. It's not okay. I mean, I feel like it's okay if you never had jerk chicken before. But if you had like real authentic jerk chicken and then you eat that shit, it's like, what am I eating right now? Why am I like settling for less right now? That's what it's like, chat. Like real nigga. Yo, if this nigga keep touching me, bro. Fuck my nigga. I don't like being touched and niggas keep touching me and shit, bro. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, chat. I feel like streaming for like 6 hours today. Yo, Belly fam, I don't know what you grabbed me for, bro. I don't know what you grabbed me for, bro. That was fake crazy right there. I could have died, and it would have been all your fault. Well, I feel like no niggas got out. Why is there so much niggas up here with me, bro? Oh, here we go, chat. Here we fucking go. What the fuck, my nigga? Yo, chat. Yo, chat. I really move like a vet, nigga. Cause, yo, the way I was moving. Why the fuck would you get jerk chicken from Hello Bros? No, they got this new shit. It's jerk chicken over right. You know what, bro? I can't explain it to you in a way that you will understand. Why haven't you left blue-eyed, motherfucker? How the fuck does he know that, bro? How does he know that? Nah. Everything ass. Best hello from the carts. Word to bro. Yo, the best hello is really from the carts. Like, this nigga just spoke facts crazy right there, bro. Rod Gates invited me. Yo, Rod Gates, if you in the chat, I invite you to the next game. But I never think I'd see the day you'd be on this shit right here. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, nah. I'm dead. Yo, Belly fam, I'm fake selling right now, bro. I don't know where to go. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know where to go. Oh, bro. Why is it all over the place, bro? No. Are you kidding me, my nigga? Nah, you can't go through that way, dummy. And that shit is not turning either. Brother. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Okay. Yo, Belly fam, I got 3. You got 1, bro. Yo, this nigga is a dick rider crazy, bro. This bitch ass nigga. Oh, bad things happen to him. In GTA. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, we both sold, but you sold crazy though. You sold crazy though. Cause it's crazy, cause we had to get like 12, right? We had to get 12 rings. If like I got 10 and you got that 1, we still would have lost. And the last round was right after, bro. Fuck that shit, though. It's cool. it's cool, cause my son Rod Gates. I'm gonna invite my son Rod Gates. Ah, but I know what I'm eating today, child. I know what I'm gonna eat, child. I know what I'm gonna eat. Don't watch too much face on that picture, chat. That was from back then ago. What color is it? What, my dick is black. But hold on, chat. Shit, I'll be scared too. Wait, hold on. Alright. Saying mine too. What the fuck are you talking about? What do you mean you too? What the hell you mean you too? Nigga, your dick ain't black, nigga. What are you talking about? Rod Gates, you joining Rod Gates? Yo, why is niggas so outside? So, yo, I can't even speak English right now. It don't matter. It don't matter, bro. It don't matter, bro. Let me just get my jerk chicken with, yeah, facts. Oh, my son Rod Gates joined the party. Son Rod Gates. Wait, hold on. Oh, there's no trios. We gonna have to get squads with a random now, bro. Fuck it. We gonna get squads with a random. But hold on. Let me get my food, chat, cause like I need it. Like I dead need it. Alright, chat. Why the fuck is it telling me that this shit is like this, bro? What the fuck do you mean? Oh, hell no. They bugging out. They bugging out crazy right now. Yes, claim the promo. What the fuck? Alright, chat. Henceforth, let thy name be but a jest, a cautionary tale of one who professed. Mo Gambino, thy reign shall be but brief, for in the realm of rap thou art not but a thief. This nigga think he's so fucking like smart and shit, bro. I never played this shit duos or trios. I just started playing. You good, Rod Gates? You good? Cause like I'm the ultimate fucking carry for real. Like niggas, you know how nice I am at this game, nigga? Like come on now. Oh shit. I fake should have let that shit hit me, right, chat? Yeah, that shit launched me further. This is gonna launch me further too. Damn. That was I did fake bad right there. It's cool though. Oh, how you doing? Oh, chat. No. Shit. I'm selling. I'm doing bad. My controller disconnected. No. Nigga, obviously. Fuck, nigga. Yo, teammates. Y'all got me, right? Y'all got me, right, chat? Right? I ain't gonna lie, I faked it bad. My controller ran out of charge. Cause some dumbass nigga in my household was using my fucking controller when I wasn't fucking here. I ain't gonna say no names though. I ain't gonna throw no subs though. Oh, we good. We gonna qualify. Come on now. This shit is taking mad long to come, bro. Yeah, we good, right? Bro, word to my mother, if my controller did not run out of charge, niggas would have been valid, bro. Holy shit. Dumbass shit. Nigga, you know who the fuck I'm talking about. That dumbass little jit. Talking about something I know you not talking about, Ibrahim. You know who the fuck I'm talking about, nigga. Man. Yo, where'd this belly fam nigga go? I'll invite you back. Alright. Alright, hold on. Waiting for belly fam. Huh. Alright, hold on, chat. I'm having an issue right now. I'm having a big ass fucking issue. You do tricks on it. I'm not gay, okay? So stop asking me gay questions. Do you do tricks on it? Huh? Matter of fact, don't answer that question. I don't want to know. I honestly, genuinely, me, personally, I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Oh, shit, I don't give a fuck. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get like 5 drinks, too. Yep. Let me get a Snapple. Let me get a lemonade. No, it don't fucking work like that. Okay. And let me get a yeah. Yeah. All right, chat. What the fuck they mean? No. Okay. Okay. Pick your head up, all I see is that. I don't give a fuck what you see, nigga. I don't care. I don't care. It's because I'm doing some technical difficulties right now. I'm situating everything right now. So you gonna have to wait. Okay. I think I got it situated now, chat. Alright, we not losing on this one. We not losing on this one right here. And how about you suck my fucking dick? How about that? Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I went the wrong way. Oh, our teammate fake a try hard. We got this, chat. Like, we know I'm the LeBron of the team, but like, come on now. It's always good to have a nice teammate. You get what I'm saying? Shit barely helped me, bro. Alright, y'all. There we go. There we go. Mo Gambino, please calm down. It's about to be 12 a.m. It's about to be 12 a.m. As a mod, I feel like I'm being forced to. Like, you're not being forced to do anything. Listen, like I told you. Like I told you, Zane nigga. You wanna be gay? Be gay. Just don't be gay with me, cause I'm straight. Please. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone, please. Oh, this is easy, my nigga. This ain't nothing for real. Like, I could fake do this with my eyes closed type shit. But I ain't gonna do that, though. Because that's not how I'm feeling right now. Okay, come on. Come on, chat. We got this, chat. Alright. We gotta stay to the corners. That's the method right there. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, it's like, why is that nigga? It's like he was aimed on to me, bro. I don't care if that shit right there. I'm in there. We in there. We in there, chat. Hold on, chat. Hold on. You just commanded me. I did not command you to suck me off. What? Yo! Our teammates a dumb fuck. We got an R word on our team, chat. Look. This nigga right here. He's a fucking idiot. Yeah, he's so fucking dirt. Like, it's not even funny how... Like the way we're gonna have to carry him. Yo, if we can make it to the final, we're gonna win. As long as we make it to the final, we can win. All of my is Mo Gambino is about him. He likes... That's a lie. That is a fucking lie. That is a fucking lie. Don't let that fucking manipulating fucking idiot manipulate y'all, chat. That nigga's a dead lie. You see what I'm talking about, my nigga? That dumbass nigga died already. Yo, we got a dumbass nigga on our team, chat. Oh my god, son. Like, why gotta be us? Why we always gotta get the stupid ass niggas on our team, bro? Like, come on, son. Nah, we got this though, chat. We gonna qualify for sure. We ain't no loser ass niggas. If we don't qualify, it's cause like the strawberry got me out for real. Cause I'm dead not paying attention to that shit. Like, it's too much fucking multitasking going on at once for me to really like pay attention to that shit. And we mad off second place, bro. Like, yo, that dumbass nigga really took us fucking down. can see that. Use context clue. I remember I posted Mo up and he moaned. Shit is. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Like y'all going crazy today. Y'all must really be having fucking fun in the chat, right? Like y'all really must be having fun in the chat today, right? To just lie and dick suck me like this. All cheesing behind your phones. Oh, Mo, he has a fucking boyfriend. Fucking weirdo. Nigga, suck my dick. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, my stomach. Holy. Holy. Was just one bowl? That's nothing. This is gonna be so easy. I could do this with my eyes closed. Oh, we're tied at first place? Listen, we'll be good as long as that dumbass nigga don't fucking die for real. We'll be good. Okay. Yo, this is like the easiest thing niggas could have asked for, bro. And here we go. That dumbass nigga died, of course. Like, yo, bro. Like, how? Son? We don't qualify because of a dumb nigga? Are you serious? Holy shit, son. Oh my god. Word of my mother. Word of my mother. I hope that nigga get hit by a car in GTA. Word of my mother, bro. Word of my mother, bro. I don't give a fuck. Word of my mother, bro. I don't give a fuck. Holy shit. This nigga's R-word, bro. Fuck, son. Cause of one nigga. The rest of the team is performing. One nigga do bad, bro. One nigga do bad. And we lose. What the fuck, nigga? Fuck, son. I hope niggas stomp him out with fucking Timbs, bro. Fuck. In GTA. Nigga baited crazy, bro. This nigga's stupid as fuck. Can you celebrate me on my birthday? I don't want you to celebrate me, bro. I'd rather be at home all day long. Chilling. It was satisfying. Or am I doing a birthday stream? I think I'm doing a birthday stream. I think so. I think so, chat. Like, y'all gonna see my fit and everything, and I'm gonna be mad fly, and I'm gonna look mad good, and I'm gonna have my hair cut, and word. I ain't gonna lie, chat. He gets overly emotional. Oh, bro, I don't get no fucking overly emotional. It's just that I hate niggas that are R-words, bro. If you're an R-word, bro, I hate you, bro. Like, fuck. Like, why are you playing the game if you are an R-word? I don't get it, bro. Shit, my nigga. Like, I never understood that. Like, this is not a hard game to be good at. It's really not. We gonna qualify though, chat. We gonna qualify though, chat. Wait, Belly fam, the Nightbot changed my game to Fall Guys? Cause like I dead don't know if he did or he didn't. Like I really don't know. Oh, you did? Good looking. I really appreciate that. You have your fit already? Yeah, I pretty much have my fit. I'm just waiting for like the jeans to come in for real. That's it. But other than that, like, I got everything else. I heard if you got ADHD, that's like symptoms of AIDS plus herpes, double combo. Oh my God, let me go. Yeah, go get your ass tested. My LAN cable, bro. Your LAN cable bugging? Don't tell me you lagged out. Mary? Of course. Of course. Of course. See, guys, he wants me to get tested because we do things. Yo, chat, don't let this nigga fool you, because I don't even know him in real life. Like, I don't even know who this nigga is. I don't. Oh, Belly Fam lagged out. I'm not gonna lie, Rod Gates. We probably lost this one. I ain't gonna lie. But we thugging it out to see if we could even, like, make it to the final either way. Because we already came this far. We might as well just keep fucking going. And our teammate this time is dead like a good nigga, too. Like, I'm so sure we would have won. Man, that shit tough, man. This is the one I want to go through. Okay. What you mean do things? Are you an Ameri bandit? Of course I'm an Ameri bandit. Like, come on now, chat. We didn't make it. Yo, Belly Fam, you still playing or cause I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah. You know what it is, Rod Gates? You want to know what it is for real? Niggas need to change their fit, bro. That's what it is. It's the outfit for real, bro. Gangsta, like, it's really that outfit. I'm not wearing that. I'm not wearing that either. Yeah, it's the outfit for real. This is what I needed to wear all along, bro. This is what I needed to wear all along, bro. I'm not gonna lie, chat. This is what was missing. This is what I needed to wear all along, bro. Like, you need a fire fit. You really need a fire fit for real. Like, it boosts your game up 1,000. 1,000, chat. That's kinda gay. What's kinda gay? Belly Fam, is your shit okay? Like, is your shit good? Like, is it good? It's like your shit is bugging, Belly Fam. That's what it seemed like to me. I don't know, bro. Yeah, you just like restart your shit or something. I don't know. I don't know why your shit is going cool. Oh yeah, we still need to react to the Kakashi fight. That's what we gotta do, chat. It's very important. It's very important that we react to that today. The Obito one. With Obito? Yeah, that one. Because that's what Zane suggested that we should watch. And you know, I'm taking all reaction suggestions. So that's what we're going to react to. But that's later on, though. That's not right now. Like, right this second. You get what I'm saying? Now when I'm fully available to look at the chat, niggas don't wanna say nothing. I miss you. I don't fucking know you. I don't fucking know you for you to miss me. Like, I don't know you. I don't know you. Like, real nigga shit, I don't know you. Like you peep how I don't ask you who you are no more, cause I like simply don't give a fuck. Like I don't care no more. You're hurting me. Stop. Boo fucking who? Cry me a river. I don't care. I don't care. I do not, will not, will never care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I mean, you never cared anyways. I don't know what you talking about. I don't know what you talking about. Full tilt. This shit easy, chat. TikTok clip. I should clip that one. I got two clips saved in the vote in my phone right now that I'm gonna post to TikTok tomorrow morning, along with all my other YouTube videos. By the way, follow all my shit. It's up there. I ain't gonna lie, but yeah, facts though. Yo, please treasure me. We already been through this fucking bullshit that you're about to put the chat through again. Stop calling people bitches. That's all I'm gonna say about that situation. Oh. Ha. Am I gonna have to name another video? The chat has World War III, or the chat has Okay, I got one, chat. Ah, I fell, bro. I fucking fell, bro. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm doing so bad right now. Please bear with me. Please. Yeah, I still got the checkpoint. So if I fell right there, I would have been valid. Either way. Come on, chat. I'm too tough, chat. I'm too tough. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Come on, chat. I'm too tough, chat. I'm too tough. We're too tough as a team. She provoked me. Stop. You're gonna make me cry for real. Ah, please treasure me. Please treasure me. Please treasure me. You know. You wasn't here for when that like whole shit happened. You get what I'm saying? So I understand why you don't fully get the situation. You get what I'm saying? But niggas is gonna give you another chance. Is basically what I'm saying. Why don't you deserve me? Maybe I was here as my real self. What the fuck is going on? Am I wrong for laughing? No, you're not wrong for laughing. Wasn't we all laughing? I know. Well, I wasn't laughing. I was laughing on the inside, though. Yeah, I was laughing on. Oh, I was just like, I paused real quick to think about how I'm gonna make that like a TikTok clip. That's why I paused for so long just now, chat. Cause like I'm better with the editing now, but like I still don't know how to like fully do it. But I know a person that knows how to, so I'm gonna be okay either way. Like I know exactly what I'm gonna do actually, chat. Oh, brother. This guy stinks. Yo, Rod Gates going cool. right now. I ain't gonna lie. He's going crazy. He been going crazy. He said this is his first day playing, and he been going crazy the whole time. I ain't gonna lie. What did I just come back to? She's confessing her love. Mashallah, I mean, stuck for the law. Oh, I got a question. Do you think you're better than me because you're white skin and curly? What? Ain't no nigga called Zane. Ain't gonna lie, you do got a point there. Ain't no nigga called Zane. He's from Morocco. Nah, he dead from Morocco though. Gangsta. Like, I don't jack no Moroccan people, but he the only Moroccan I'm jacking. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Whew, I almost did bad right there, chat. That would have been so bad. I ain't gonna lie. That would have been so bad. I think we got a good teammate. I think we got a good random this time. And I don't think Belly Fam is gonna lag out this time. They got Supersonic in the game? And I missed it? I got regular Sonic though, so I'm an old fucking G. I don't care what nobody tell me. I got regular Sonic. Oh, I did bad, chat. I did so bad, chat. Oh my gosh, I did bad, chat. Yo, my fault, team. I sold y'all. If we lose this Fall Guys game, it's on me 120%. I am so sorry for selling y'all. I sincerely apologize for my actions. And I hope y'all can forgive me. Belly Fam, I believe in you and the other teammate. What's wrong with Moroccans? Just had a bad experience with them. You're goated? Nah, you goated. You got that. You got that, Belly Fam. You really carried for real. You really carried for real. I appreciate it, man. Crazy because I got an afro. Yeah. He Moroccan. He dead got an afro. And that blue eye shit, I don't know where you're getting it from. He has hazel eyes. I don't know, chat. It seems like y'all like the late streams better. Like, it seems like when I stream earlier, y'all don't fuck with that. It seems like y'all fuck with me streaming mad late. So I think that's just what I'm gonna have to do, right, chat? Oh, that shit is fake helpful, though. Yo, this shit froze me for a second. Oh, this is gonna be bad, chat. Oh my gosh, bro. That shit slowed me down a fucking ton, bro. That dumb ass shit. Yo, why did it last so long for? I'm the one on my team that's selling right now. It's me that's selling right now. Oh my goodness gracious. I hate the fact that I went to this fucking side. Oh, niggas qualified already? And then when it switches sides, shit is trying to set me up for failure, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. And I don't like this shit. I'm really not jacking it, bro. I'm going on that side. I'm a fucking risk taker, chat. I'm a fucking risk taker, nigga. Fuck is niggas talking about? Damn, we had 2 niggas that ain't qualified. I ain't gonna lie, chat. It's okay. We get them next time. We get them next time. Those eyes on Hazel. You're making me jealous. Ain't my fault. He don't like you. Mo keep looking at me. He dead lying though. What else you know about me? Mo told me all about his love with please treasure me. That is a lie. It's a facade. Haven't we played ball together? Have we played ball together? Yo, what happened last game? Like, I seen 2 niggas didn't qualify. I ain't see who were the niggas though. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, facts though, chat. Facts though. Damn, I'm not gonna lie. The Fall Guys episode that I'm posting on YouTube, we might have to cut it short, chat, cause our gameplay of Fall Guys. Yeah, I know I'm not watching that. The longest I watch a Fall Guys video, it gotta be like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Who's the man behind the keyboard? Either Stanley or Jindo. No other man be acting gay like this. If I tell you who I am, where's the excitement in that? You know, he does have a point. He does have a point. You know. How's your finals going? I ain't take them yet. I take them tomorrow. I take 2 tomorrow, and then I take 1 on Friday. I'm passing the 1 on Friday, and I'm passing one of the ones on Thursday for sure. But then there's fucking photography. Fucking photography. Yo, Rod Gates, you know how you a photographer, right? Like, you can help me cheat on that test? Because you a photographer and shit. Like, you must know. You know what I'm saying? Like, you must know about the photographers in 1870, right? Oh, niggas is doing bad over here. Okay, come on, chat. We got this, chat. Of course, bro. Whatever. I've never seen niggas go up the middle and get, like, actually successfully get through it. Like, no bullshit. Yeah, we not going that round. Whoo! That was mad swift, chat. Like, I'm really like that for real. I ain't gonna lie. You think you're the Joker and continue life with respect. What makes you want to respect? Damn, I make dua. My professor says if I recite the Quran word for word, I get a 100. Can you help me? What, you want me to recite the whole Quran? Is that what you want? My kids are hungry, bro. I can't keep watching. Yeah, nigga, you got like 2 kids and shit. Like, did you even get the Nesquik? Did you even get the Nesquik? Rod Gates, if you don't qualify here, I think it's okay. Like, I feel like we still gonna qualify. Like, no bullshit. Yeah, we still qualify. We good. Mo Gambino, please don't kill my wife. Please, bro. Wife. Bro, I'm not going to hurt nobody, bro. Like, I don't know why you, like, panicking for your life, bro. Like, you know, if you keep this up right here, Twitch is gonna think, oh, what type of man is this streamer right here that is trying to stream on our platform? That is what Twitch is gonna think. You fake gotta chill, bro. Like, you been wildin'. Please don't harm my family. I can't stand to lose another infant to you. What the fuck are you doing? Why are you trying to make me seem out to be this fucking terrible man that I'm not? Alright, come on, chat. Gotta move swift in this shit, chat. Come on, chat. We dead here, chat. Come on, chat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Hold on. Gotta wait for that shit to go down. Dumbass shit in my way, but it's cool. It's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We gonna stop right here. We gonna wait. Oh yeah, chat. Oh yeah, chat. Me and my niggas perform for real. Me and my niggas perform. She's black. Her name's Lawanda. She was on 600 pounds. I didn't take you for the types. You keep eating my fucking food. Maybe, you know what it is? Maybe you should be worried about fucking Lawanda and not me. Worry about Lawanda, okay? Eating all of your children's food instead of worrying about me. Because me, I'm not going to do anything to you. I'm not going to do anything to your children. I'm not that type of man. I am a Muslim man at the end of the day. Lawanda is your fucking problem. I'm getting a divorce though. That bitch ate my Popeye's chicken sandwich. You shouldn't be eating Popeye's chicken sandwiches anyway. It's a good thing she ate that shit. Fuck that bitch. Get a Pakistani queen instead. Bro, Mo, you not Muslim. Don't you drink? Don't you smoke and drink? I do neither. I don't drink or smoke. Don't come here trying to lie to the people and trying to manipulate them as you always do. What the fuck? I swear, like, Fall Guys is just set up for me to fucking fail sometimes. Cause what the fuck was that? Like, what was that, chat? Like, what was that? They just put me in the middle of the fucking shit, bro. Okay, come on. Oh, I'm dead not even that far from my teammates. Oh, never mind. I feel like that's the dumb one. Yo, the fact that I pressed X and it didn't let me fucking jump is so fucking crazy, bro. Okay, I'll just go to this one since that one is acting R-word. Oh my goodness gracious, son. This shit is This game is gonna get me banned. This game is gonna get me banned. Fucking dumbass shit. This game be so fucking dumb sometimes, bro. Holy shit, this game be so fucking stupid sometimes, bro. I'll be pressing X. It's like the X button don't fucking work or something. Hi! Fuck! Damn, bro. I don't think we qualified, did we? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the bless you. His tongue go crazy and those lips, Lord. Nigga, shut up, nigga. Niggas never seen me eat a popsicle before. Like, niggas is dead liars. All that. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. I'm only playing one more game of this Fall Guys shit. I'm getting tired of this Fall Guys shit, bro. And then we gonna hop right into reactions. Right after. Right after. I ain't gonna lie, chat. So, therefore, I need to change my fit. Nah, I'm not gonna be that. Are you sick? Nah, I'm not sick. My nose is just a little runny. And if I'm sick, somebody at the gym got me sick. If I am sick. But I don't feel sick though. He doesn't do too much talking. He just gets to business. The fuck is Nightbot? Can you cover your fat ass nose when you sneeze, Jesus? No. Just because you asked me to, I'm not gonna fucking do it. Got allergies, man. That's what it is. Nah, I don't got allergies, though. Well, not that I know of. Not that I know of. But you know? How do you know? How do you know? How he swept you off your feet. You should tell me a story. I'm gonna get you medicine, okay? You know what? Go get me medicine. Since you know me, you know where I live. Go get the medicine. Go get it. Go get it. But there is no story of me sweeping him off his fucking feet. None of that. And if you believe there is, there just simply isn't. Simply isn't. Damn. Oh my days, that shit is fucking annoying, bro. Will this shit go down? Oh. Oh shit, chat. I fake got a ringing in my ear. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Oh, fucking brother, bro. Okay. Bill Cosby, but I fell in love anyways. You not in the UK, dumbass.